I just got a new perfume. In case you're curious, I got this from e-cosmetics. They have really good deals in case any one of you wanted to try out. This is Maison Francis Kurkdjian's Baccarat Rouge 540. I finally got this perfume, so let's unbox it together. Let's take a minute to admire this packaging. It's so beautiful. It has this golden design. It has a little B for Baccarat. And it just has the name of the perfume, the company, EDP. And it's just gorgeous. Pure luxury in a bottle. Guys, just look at this. It is so beautiful. It's such a luxurious bottle. It has this label in red and a golden border. The most beautiful part about it is it has this design inside of the logo. So you can see it from inside the bottle. It has the chandelier from Baccarat, I think. This is one of the experiences that I've been waiting for. I don't even know for how long. The first time I smelled this perfume was in 2021, and I have been in two minds since 2021 whether or not to buy it, because I've been hearing so many mixed opinions. Baccarat Rouge is one of the fragrances that changed the perfume industry. I can see why it did. Everything about this perfume is absolute luxury, right from the packaging to the way it smells, and oh my god. Now I'm going to spray the perfume. Look at the atomizer. I just can't stop admiring this. I know I might get some criticism because it has become so popular and is exorbitantly expensive. I myself have struggled to buy this perfume for such a long time, majorly because it is such an expensive perfume. I just could not justify buying this expensive of a scent, but then I couldn't keep my hands off of it. Oh my god. Right off the bat, I smell the saffron in it. It honestly smells like such a beautiful, airy cloud of sugar, like spun sugar. I can't get over it, oh my god. It has some woodiness, it comes from the cedar wood. It also has some jasmine, so slight floral aspects, although I don't get it. This is purely coming from the note breakdown of the scent. Although I do smell some pininess or some creaminess from the fir note in it. This has one of the most expensive notes that goes into making a perfume, which is ambergris, which is also partly the reason of this perfume being so expensive, because it has so many ingredients in it which make it such a well-rounded, refined, airy cloud of luxury, I want to say. So coming to the exact note breakdown, I'll leave a picture somewhere right here. It has some jasmine, it has some cedar wood, it has some saffron. It also has some amber and ambergris. This is a masterpiece. It has a grandeur in it, and everyone should try some version of this perfume. I know there are a million dupes of this scent, and some of them are almost exact dupes of this perfume, especially Ambery Saffron by Dossier. That is almost identical to this scent, but I would still recommend trying this perfume on its own, because I feel like the experience that you get and the effort that has gone into making this perfume makes it so special that everyone should try this scent. And then of course you can get a decant or like a 1 ml or 2 ml tester and you can try it that way. I'm not saying that everyone should go and get their hands on this scent, especially because there are different versions of this scent that you can try out now. But if you are into niche fragrances and if you love trying really refined perfumes, I think this is the one that you should never ever miss out on. Coming to the longevity of Baccarat Rouge 540, this shouldn't be a surprise to anyone at this point. Although this perfume does not really smell like anything as soon as you spray it on your hand or when you spray it on your clothes, you might not be able to smell it. Everyone seems to go anosmic to this perfume as soon as they spray it, and initially, trust me, I fell into that trap as well. When I sprayed the perfume for the first time, I just could not smell anything. And it made me really sad because I was really excited about the scent. I don't know, I just sprayed it, I went about my day. When I came back to the same spot where I had sprayed the perfume, trust me, I could smell the scent in the air. Like there was a cloud that was formed around that spot and I actually could smell the perfume there. This scent is very magical. Like you won't be able to witness it right on your body or on your skin, but when you spray it, everyone around you will be able to smell you because it just leaves such a beautiful trail. It's almost intoxicating and it projects really well. Everyone surrounding you is going to notice this scent and you are going to get complimented. Another tidbit around this perfume, and this happened very recently. I was visiting my friend in Chicago and we had this small dinner planned. So all of her friends came and I was there as well. And one of her friends, when she came, she smelled so good. So I just could not resist asking what she was wearing because I absolutely loved how she was smelling when I hugged her. And she said she was wearing Baccarat Rouge 540 and I was pleasantly surprised. And that was the time when I started thinking about this fragrance again because I was mesmerized by the way she was smelling and I fell in love with the scent. And that's when I started rethinking buying this perfume. After 2021, I spent a very long time thinking about this perfume, about buying it, but I was a student back then and I did not have the money to buy this scent. So I had a 10ml decant of it that I was spraying on whenever I was going out. Because I was trying so many newer scents, I let it go. I was like, it's fine, I can buy it later, whenever. And then I completely lost track of it. And then very recently with this experience, I fell back into that loop whether or not I should buy it. As I said earlier, everything about the scent just makes me very happy. So now that I'm getting married, I am very excited to pull a long list of perfumes that I want to buy and that I have bought, this being one of them. Now that I have it, I am sure that I'm going to wear it every chance that I get. Will I repurchase this fragrance? Maybe not. I just wanted a Baccarat Rouge experience. And now that I've gotten it, I think I'm fine with it. I cannot justify spending that much money again on this scent. But I do understand, considering all of this, that you might not be interested in the packaging, you might not care how the bottle looks or whatever. You might just be wanting to experience the scent. And if you are that someone, then I do have some alternatives for you that you can try instead of buying this perfume. Those are some dupes and some cheapies that you can get into just to get a taste of this perfume. Some of the perfumes that you can buy instead of splurging on this is Dossier's Ambery Saffron. You can try Sol de Janeiro's Cheirosa 68. That one is a little sweeter than this, but I would say that it is almost similar to this scent, so you should 100% try it. Burberry Her, as you might already know. Ariana Grande's Cloud. Now, I have a beef with that perfume. I'm going to be very honest. I do not like that scent at all, but I know some people do. The reason that I don't like that perfume is because it smells plasticky to me. It honestly smells artificial and plasticky for some reason, and I do not like that perfume at all. But because, as I said, some of you like it, I do want to mention it as an alternative for this. And finally, we have Mancera's Instant Crush. For Instant Crush, I do want to add a disclaimer that it is similar to Baccarat Rouge, but it is definitely way stronger in character. So although it smells similar to this, there is a certain aspect in that perfume which makes it stand out from this one. So just bear that in mind. I honestly think it's a bit much because it's too strong of a scent, almost gives me a headache. It's maybe too sweet for me and I don't like that. But if you are someone who likes a sweeter version of this airy candy floss, then you should definitely go out and try it. So that was my review of Baccarat Rouge. If you like the video, hit that like button and let me know in the comments below if you own Baccarat Rouge. What are your thoughts about this perfume? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Are you bothered by the fact that it has become so popular despite of being a niche scent? Does that bother you at all? I would really like to read through your comments, so drop it down below. As always, I will see you next time. Until then, spread those good vibes and beautiful scents wherever you go.